Hello everyone. Let's see how to make lasagna with easily available veggies from the kitchen. It's super flavorful, so yummy, cheesy and makes a perfect holiday dish. Let's prepare the red sauce. Boil 3 tomatoes until fully cooked. Remove in a blender jar and let it cool completely. Blend into a puree once cooled. Heat 2 tablespoon oil and add 1.5 tablespoon chopped garlic. Cook until golden. Add 1 chopped onion and saute until translucent. Add prepared tomato puree. Give a quick mix. Half a teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt or as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon oregano. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Cook for few minutes. Flavorful red sauce is ready. Remove and keep aside while we prepare white sauce and veggies. Now let's prepare a quick white sauce. Heat 2 tablespoon butter. Add 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour or maida. Saute until the flour is well roasted. All the rawness of maida should be gone. Add 1 cup of milk. Stir quickly to avoid lumps. Keep stirring. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon oregano. Mix everything well. Our quick white sauce is ready. Now let's prepare the veggies. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1.5 tablespoon minced garlic. Cook until it turns golden. Add 1 cup of chopped carrots. Cook for 2 minutes while sauteing on medium to high flame. Add in 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Give a quick mix. 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. At this stage, feel free to add boiled corn, chopped mushrooms, bell peppers, etc. and adjust the seasonings according to the quantity of veggies. Add 1 cup of boiled and minced soya chunks. Cook for a couple of minutes while stirring. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. Do not overcook the veggies. Keep aside to cool. Let's start with the most fun part of making lasagna, that is making its layers. Remove the edges of bread slices. This recipe needs 16 bread slices. You may need less bread if using a smaller baking dish. You can make breadcrumbs with these edges and use it for coating the cutlets or paneer popcorns, etc. Flatten the bread slices with the help of a rolling pin. We are going to use these in place of maida sheets or pasta. Grease a square baking dish with oil. I am using a 7-inch cake tin. Add 3 tablespoons prepared red sauce as a base layer and spread evenly. Follow with 3 tablespoons white sauce. Spread it slightly. Place 4 flattened bread slices on it. Now again layer with the red sauce. Then white sauce. Add 3 tablespoons prepared veggies and spread it lightly. Add another layer of bread slices. A layer of red sauce. Then a layer of white sauce. Some veggies. Add a layer of grated cheese. Keep repeating the layers until all the sauce, veggies and bread slices are used up. Meanwhile, quickly hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Delicacies and DIY. I post easy to make yet delicious recipe videos every week. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoon oregano. Bake as per the instructions given on the screen. Lasagna is baked nicely. Pass knife through the edges after a couple of minutes. Cut into squares. Enjoy while it's still hot or warm. Do try this cheesy, yummy, flavorful lasagna recipe and share your experience with me in the comment section.